Lesson 10.1, Time to the Minute. Groundhog Day is February 2nd. People say that if a groundhog can see its shadow on that morning, winter will last another 6 weeks. The clock shows the time when the groundhog saw its shadow. I've already underlined the question, which is just what time was it? Look at the time on this clock face. So right here. What does the hour hand say? So the hour hand is this one right there. So it's the shorter hand. And so it's, in order to tell, it would be in between or on a specific number. Like it'd be either 7 or a little beyond in order for us to tell that the hour hand was pointing to the 7. What does the minute hand tell you? The minute hand, you have to skip count by 5s. Or else you can just, in this case, say 7 times 5 is 35. So skip counting 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So the groundhog saw its shadow at 7:35, which is how you write it. Reading it, 7:35. And then if you're looking at it like this, 35 minutes after 7. Time to the minute. Count by 5s and 1s to help you. Look at the time on this clock face. What does the hour hand tell you? So the hour hand is telling me that it's past 1. What does the minute hand tell me? So I start counting by 5s. So 5, 10, 15, 20. And then I need to start counting the 1s because each of these little markers are 1 minute. So I got 20, 21, 22, 23. So it's 1:23. And you can read it either as 23 minutes after 1 or 1:23. Look at the clock face. So what does the hour hand tell you? The hour hand is between 2 and 3. So it tells us that it's past 2 o'clock. So, what does the minute hand tell you? Obviously, I had some confusion with the instructions, but the minute hand actually tells you 43 minutes. So you go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43. When a clock shows 31 or more minutes after the hour, you can read the time as a number of minutes before the next hour. For example, 17 minutes before 3. Or else, writing it, you would do 2:43, and you would read that as 2:43. When a clock shows 30 or fewer minutes after the hour, you can read the time as a number of minutes after the hour, such as 23 minutes after 1. So, for numbers 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, or sorry, not 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, you're just going to write the time. So you're going to just write it out in numbers. I don't expect it to be written in more than one way. Number 12, how many minutes later in the day did the groundhog see its shadow in Pennsylvania than in New York? So this one is New York, and this one is Pennsylvania. Number 14, if you look at your watch and the hour hand is between the 8 and the 9, and the minute hand is on the 11, what time is it? Number 17, what time is shown on the clock?